Hello world.
Huh?
This
What?
is the situation. I'm tired. I drove like a few hundred miles today,
Huh?
and then it started snowing really bad. So I pulled over because I couldn't even see the white lines in the road on the interstate. So I was like, fuck it, I'm not driving in a blizzard. Turns out I got stuck in this blizzard that's not gonna end until like tomorrow, so got nothing to do.
Did he say?
So
Did you tell him?
this is the first step of us going on a date.
What the fuck are you doing?
We were just taking a nap. Then I woke Arlene up and told her to get dressed. So she's climbing up to the top bunk.
Yeah, wake me up. I sleep like baby, but you want Mexican food. Can you charge my phone, my love?
Oh.
Come on, let's start vlogging. You talk, because I'm not good talking.
Hindi puede matulog, hindi ko alam bakit.
You need you.
Oh, sige.
We got you now.
Bakit?
I'm sick. I don't want you to get sick.
See? Ang asawa ko, sabi ka, hindi pwede matulog. Gusto mo yo-yo. Alright, so we can't drive to this restaurant that I want to take her to because it's like half a mile away. So we're just gonna walk there through the blizzard. And that's how our date's gonna start.